line. So we have 3 Paramveer Chakras, 33 Mahavir Chakras, 84 Veer Chakras, and there are many other chakras and many other portfolios added on to us. And we are posted into such a borders, such a frontiers, toughest frontiers of the country, like Pakistan borders, China borders, and there are various other borders. And majorly the Gorkhas are concentrated in northeastern part of India, that is actually a Darjeeling, which is called Chicken Neck, which means it has got a various borders surrounding this place. But still, you'd see no contradiction, you'd see no crimes, you'd see no terrorism there. And we proudly would like to say that if the Gorkhas, the Darjeeling people would have been in Kashmir, today the Kashmir would have been in the position of Darjeeling, and Darjeeling would have been in the position of Kashmir. So this is how we are. But we the Gorkhas were present in this earth, present in our motherland, before the geographical declaration of the country. ये भौगोलिक हिसाब से ये बांटने से भी पहले, एरिया बांटने से भी पहले हम लोग इस एरिया में थे सर, इस क्षेत्र में थे, which we have a historical evidence with us. But still, our very own countrymen who are from different part of states living in Delhi have a feeling that we are from China, Bhutan, we are from Korea or somewhere else. And majorly on that basis, people are failed to understand us. And when we Indians says that we are a cosmopolitan countries, which means that we have a southern Indians, we have a northern Indians, eastern Indians, western Indians, different languages, different people, different states. But our countrymen have failed to recognize our own people, our own brave soldiers, the Gorkha regiment and the Gorkha people. So we have a very strong historic evidence, but still sir, हमें आज तक हमारे देश में हमारे एक recognition नहीं है, and we would definitely like to thank to Shiv Sena because they have openly supported the issue of Gorkhaland as well. Because I work in a field of media, therefore I keep all the knowledges about these things, and they are totally blindly supporting the matter of Gorkhaland. And in Maharashtra, especially the state of Maharashtra, आज तक कोई भी गोरखा को इतना परेशानी नहीं हुई है जितना और स्टेट में हुई है. This is to be recognized, this is to be understood by our people. And जो आपने आज हमारी बहन को, हमारे यहाँ के लड़की को इस एरिया में रह के आपने जो इलेक्शन में आज खड़ा करवाया है, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. I think this is going to create a history, and our people should make the evidence, our people should make the winning factor in it. तो हम लोग सभी को मिलके उनको जिता के एक हिस्टोरिक बनाना चाहिए, हिस्ट्री बनाना चाहिए इस पे. Or basically I'm having a problem with the language, mixing language, Hindi, English and all, it must be all hotspot, but you need to understand my essence. What I want to say is that पहले भी किसी को टिकट दिया गया था या दिया नहीं गया था, कोई पार्टी ने कोई कुछ, that is immaterial to us. We are concerned about today. That means we are having an identity crisis. When we are having an identity crisis, when a national party like Shiv Sena is recognizing us, that means it's a positive sign for us. Today itself we had a very good meeting with Delhi police, and they are also in support to us. आज के दिन में हमें directly मतलब हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हमारे फीचर्स के कारण तो सेग्रीगेशन है ही सर, बट स्टिल ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट हमारा एक और चीज एडेड है कि वी आर अ नेपाली स्पीकिंग पीपल एंड वी आर अ गोरखाली पीपल. हमें सीधा नेपाल भेज दिया जाता है, वो देखते नहीं कि ये भी हिंदुस्तानी. आप मुझे ये बात बताइए, when a person goes to America or England or somewhere else, within 5 years they put the position for the green card. अगर ग्रीन कार्ड नहीं देते, उनको कुछ होता है तो होम मिनिस्ट्री सारे ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स हिला के रख देते. हम लोग इसी धरती में पैदा हुए हैं, इसी धरती को हमने आगे जाके प्रोटेक्ट किया है, हम इसी में रहते, फिर भी स्टिल वी आर कॉल्ड एज अ फॉरेनर. So these things should be eradicated, these things should be taken away. और यहाँ पे एक टिकट मिलना या हमारे सम्मेलन का तो एक बहाना है, but it's giving the awareness of Gorkha people, specifically in the Basant Vihar area, where our majority of the people are living here. So मैं सबको जो बसंत विहार में है वो भी नहीं है, वो भी आके अपना मेजोरिटी दिखाओ. ये अच्छा समय है. Though I am a very apolitical, I I do not belong to any political party, but I'm strongly a Gorkha girl, Gorkha lady who is always fighting for the right of our people, and therefore I would request all the people to go ahead with this. And जो political है, क्योंकि अपने अपने क्षेत्र में, अपने अपने एरिया में अपने अपने एक्सपर्टीज होते हैं, तो आपका एक्सपर्टीज पॉलिटिक्स में, तो पॉलिटिक्स से आगे जाइए, बात आगे ले जाइए, रिप्रेजेंटेशन करिए, आगे जाके पार्लियामेंट में भी बोल सके, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, कुछ भी बन सकते, because we have an equal right as the other Indians has. So this is to be noted, and this is a humble request to the department of entire Shiv Sena family that kindly, sir, not only here, try to take our people out from the different parts. That would definitely, we would give you a good blessings, and we would definitely pray for you. Thank you all. Thank you everyone for giving me opportunity to speak here, though I am not a politician person. Thank you.